We're more than 100 police from Edmonton that were down over in Toronto as well. Guys, thank you all for coming out today. And, all of us to be here just to remind them that it's not acceptable. It's not okay. It doesn't matter what happened out there. Exactly.